Apple is still up on your 2-minute EWO. I see that it continues to loiter around VWAP, but that is not broken held through VWAP. You guys are still riding the line over there, right?
That is correct, Coach. We're using VWAP 223.11 as support, and we're using the 9 EMA as support, and we're using 22367 as a wall of resistance. So we might be in this tight little channel, but we just want to see if we can get another juicy breakout.
Eric is an absolute animal in the Apple.
Yes, yes. Those of you that are over there looking at that, David, everybody, your 220.90, right, is a key critical area. You see these previous candles over there?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a big one, that 220.90-ish. Well, it's actually
222.80, somewhere in the range.
Yep. So that's actually support, right?
Yep. It touched that there 3 times, 1, 2, and 3 on 2 minutes.
Yeah. So that's actually your support. So nobody's panicking as long as you're staying above that area. I'd like to see you break out of these previous consolidations candles. Once you get above 223.67, you should start to have a climb for new high a day. Right there, you need to break that 223.67 to make your next move. Here goes Apple. That's what we wanted to see. If you guys were riding out on Apple, great job. We were watching that 228.80, right? That was from previous candles just below VWAP. That was where the true support was, and it did it again, and then it popped. And I told you if it breaks 223.67, you're going to be pushing for new high a day. So let's review Apple. So you've had one pullback at 50%. Right there was your 50%. Everybody do it on this exact candle. Well, actually this one. Let me zoom in. Hold on. Yeah, it was this candle. Did everybody collect 50% right there?
I did, Coach.
Thank you. And you guys see why it was? You see how these were flat, consolidating? This one was actually lower. Did everybody do that right? 2-minute EWO gang, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Good job.
It needs to break 224 right now. It's slowly breaking. We're going to reach a double top.
Yeah, we're at the double top right now. See if we can get a break of this 224.30.
Yep. Oh, this is amazing, Coach. Man, this is freaking badass.
Beautiful. That was a 6-star trade called out at the open. We've been monitoring it since the pre-market, right? I told you, look at this, starting to get a lot of volume in there before the bell even rang. Started to run up. We had a 50% collection, by the way, which was glorious if you guys collected your 50% here. Came down to where our level was at 222.80. Had a nice bounce on our actual support that we called out right here. Now we're pushing new high a day, just like we said it would, as long as it broke 223.67.